Hello there. In this video we will install WiseImage Pro for Windows on Windows 10 64-bit system, right? So let's go to the directory where I have a serial number to install WiseImage Pro for Windows, and I have two built. One is for 32-bit system and one is for 64-bit system, right? So I will use this one for 64-bit system. Extract the zip file and I just copy the serial number, and this is the exe, right? I will right click on that and I will run the executive file as administrator. Yes. So now the installations will begin. Click next, accept the agreement, so you can read the agreement. So accept it and say next, paste the serial number, making sure you are not adding additional space to the serial number, right? And company name, you could use your own name, so the username and the company name will be same, so that's okay, so you can use it. So on my case I will use my company name and my name and the serial number, so I will click next, and now you can specify the path where to install the applications. So by default it will installed on C drive, so that is fine. Go to next and installed. So installations are being continued. It will take a minute or two. So there you go. Now the installer will ask to start or launch the registration wizard, right? So now click finish, so the registration wizard will pop up. Here you have three different options. You can request license online, you should have internet connections on your system, and activate license. On this case you should receive the license from Csoft, and connect to license server is not for the standalone installations, is for the network installations. So as we are installing on standalone systems, we will not bother about this option. We'll instead go to request license online and press next. So the informations will as my system where I had installed WiseImage before, so all the informations are filled automatically, but on your case you probably need to write all the informations correctly. And I'll press next. So now is the final click to connect to the Csoft server, right? So I'll say next, and the wizard will try to fetch a license. Okay, so I already used the trial license on this system, so I'm not allowed to use further trial license on my system, so that's fine. So on your case, you probably received the license successfully and WiseImage will run. So on my case, I'll go back and one more. Okay, so on this tab, I'll choose activate license and next, and I'll browse the license. So as you can see, I have the license already in my system. So I'll choose the license and I'll say next, finish. So now WiseImage Pro 18 for Windows should activate it and run properly on my system. So I'll say yes. There you go. Right. So I'll close this one. So WiseImage started successfully on my system, and if you can check, so you can see this is the license informations I have, right? So this is how we can install WiseImage Pro for Windows 18 on Windows 10 64-bit system, right? See you in the next video.